Unraveling the Mystery. What does spin doctor mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're diving into a very interesting expression, spin doctor. If you've heard this phrase in the news or read it in articles and wondered what it exactly means, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this together. The term, spin doctor, has an intriguing origin. It first emerged in the 1980s in the context of politics and media. The word, spin, in this phrase refers to the twist or turn given to a story. The doctor part implies someone who expertly changes or manipulates this story. Think of it like a doctor who treats information to make it look better. Originally, it was used to describe public relations experts in political campaigns who would spin negative situations into positive ones in the media. In today's context, a spin doctor isn't limited to politics. This term can be used in any situation where someone is manipulating information to present a desired version of events. It could be in business, entertainment, or even sports. The key element here is the act of changing the perception of a fact or event, often to preserve a positive public image. To better understand how to use spin doctor, let's see some examples. 1. The company hired a spin doctor to handle the PR crisis after the product recall. Here, the spin doctor is responsible for managing the company's reputation. 2. He's such a spin doctor, he could convince you night is day. This shows the persuasive power attributed to a spin doctor. 3. The politician's spin doctor worked tirelessly to frame the policy changes positively in the media. This is a classic example in the political arena. Understanding terms like spin doctor is crucial, not just for language learning, but also for media literacy. In our world where information is abundant, being able to identify when facts are being spun can help you better understand the news and media narratives. It's a valuable skill in critical thinking and discerning truth from manipulation. That's a wrap on spin doctor. I hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and added a new dimension to your understanding of English expressions. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, language is not just about words, it's about the world they open for us. Until next time, happy learning!